Hi everyone, and welcome along to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to clear out your guttering if it needs doing. If it's the end of a dry spell, you can pretty much bet it wants doing. Best get it done before any heavy rain comes along. So I know mine wants doing, so let's go and take a look at them. So here's mine, and as you can see there's debris hanging over the edge there. It's looking quite bad. And as we go along a bit more there, you can see. Right then guys, I'm assuming that you all know the rules on ladder safety. If not, look them up first before you even think about climbing a ladder. Okay, there's quite a few rules to adhere to. But with cleaning gutters, I can tell you one thing, and that is that you don't put the ladder against the gutter like that. Okay, because when you do, this is what happens. Now I'll just get Jan to foot the ladder for me before we go up. What happens is, as you can see, the ladder has squashed the gutter in like that. My weight is compressing the gutter. Now it is possible that when you do this you can actually crack the gutter by coming up at it this way. Okay, so it's a no, you don't do that. It's got to be either A, under the fascia there, or you use standoffs which stand you off of the actual wall so that you can get at the gutter. I'll show you a picture of what they look like. I haven't got any to actually show you here. Now I'm going to clear my gutters by hand, gloves and obviously a bucket. This is it here. It's called a drop scraper. Very handy. Put it on the end of your drain rod, and if you've got a couple of drain rods, obviously you can screw them together. With that on it, you can pull all the rubbish towards you, both sides of the guttering. I used to have one of these, lost it a long while back, so I just do it by hand now. But if you're up a high ladder and you don't want to be up there too long, this is a way of getting all the rubbish pulled towards you from both ends, and then just load it into the bucket. Now, don't be tempted to put your bucket on the roof like this, because it will slide down as it loads up, and woof, down it goes, and you've lost a lot, okay? So don't be tempted to do that. Now, anyway, getting to the job in hand, you can see I'm full of rubbish, and there it is all sticking out, and how bad my gutters are actually getting. Sure sign is weeds and stuff growing from the top. If you see them growing out your guttering from the ground, you know they need doing. Now, as you can see, my roof suffers from moss terribly. It's really bad. I have them scraped every few years, but it always comes back. It's just a permanent problem for me, which means that this stuff is always falling down into my gutters and causing me a problem, but it's just one of those yearly jobs. Well, what can you do? Get it out. So here we go. I'm going to show you how I get mine out. Jan holding the ladder down below for me. Make sure you've got someone. As I said, start getting the rubbish out. Get it out like that and put it down in my bucket, and basically this is the job. Horrible, isn't it? Do you like my seagull spikes? They've been working excellently so far this year. Okay, anyway, I'm going to carry on, and I'll see you in about half an hour when I'm finished cleaning the lot out. There you are then, and as you can see there's obviously still bits and pieces in the very bottom of the gutter. I have a tough job because the roofing felt has been dropped right into it, which is a no-no, but never mind, I never got around to cutting it off. But anyway, it depends how far you want to go as to how clean you want your gutters. I've known people even get hoover attachments up there and suck them out that way, get it right down to nothing. But as I keep getting moss into mine within a couple of weeks, I don't bother going that far. This is usually good enough for me. Well, we're all done, and there's how much rubbish I managed to get out of my guttering. All my stuff, you know where to go, usual place, Derriton 33. Thanks for watching everybody, bye bye.